Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to add about cosine x. Later that we need to minus about cosine x. Because I want to create the factor divided by this one in here. So cosine x and cosine x to the power of 3 we can write into cosine x multiplied by cosine x squared plus 1. This is about factorization. So this one divided by this one, we will have about cosine x. Now, the integration of cosine x, you got about sine x. And we have the integration of this one in here. Now I will concentrate about this one. We have the formula in here. Cosine x squared plus sine x squared equals to number 1. Now we put sine x squared go to the right. And we have 1 minus sine x squared. So I will put this one go in here. 1 plus 1 is about number 2. Now we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to sine x. If I do first derivative for the both sides, we have du equal to cosine x dx. This one we have u squared cosine x dx we change by du. Now about this one, number 2, that's it about the square root of number 2 to the power of 2. This is about identity, so we can get about the square root of number 2 minus u multiplied by the square root of number 2 plus u. So in this situation, on numerator we need to have 2 multiplied by the square root of number 2. Later that we divide by this number in here. Because I want to create the factor for this one. So 2 with the square root of number 2, that's about square root of number 2 plus square root of number 2. Next, we put negative u. Later that we need to add back about u in here. So this one divided by this one divided by this one. So we will have about 1 over the square root of number 2 plus u. And we have 1 over the square root of number 2 minus u. And now the integration of this one, we will have about ln of the absolute value of the square root of number 2 plus u. The integration of this one in here with the negative sign, we have negative ln of the absolute value of the square root of number 2 minus u. And we put about c in here. About u, that is about sine x. Now we can combine the answer in here. This integration, that's about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.